In a world where everything is moving faster, working harder is no longer enough. You need smarter systems.
Hi, I'm Atul, and this is Enhanced Smart Skills.
This channel is for professionals, creators, and learners who want to grow without burnout. Here, we focus on productivity systems, smart use of AI, automation without complexity, career growth in tech and beyond. We don't believe in hustle culture. We believe in building once, using forever, and letting systems do the heavy lifting. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to amplify your skills. On this channel, you'll learn how to work smarter, not longer. Build repeatable systems. Use AI practically, even if you're not technical. Turn skills into long-term growth and income. If you're a student, tech professional, QA engineer, creator, or someone serious about self-improvement, you're in the right place. Subscribe if you want clarity in a noisy world. Let's enhance smart skills together. Because the future doesn't belong to the busiest people, it belongs to the smartest system builders.